1973 with a Bachelor's of Science in Aerospace Engineering from the California State Polytechnic University at Pomona, and then went into industry and worked for a while, but concurrently got a degree in a Master's of Engineering with an accentuation in fluid dynamics in 1976. Since that time I've worked in the industry and done a lot of interesting and challenging things across a wide spectrum. And as I started my career, I worked on the space shuttle, of all things, which was a great opportunity. Went on to work many years on missiles, Standard Missile probably being the preeminent one, it's the Navy's preeminent fleet defense missile. And then probably the greatest opportunity I had was to work on the X-43 program and to be an aerodynamicist who worked that program and went through the flight test experience, and just a tremendous opportunity to learn, to grow, and work with some wonderful people. Also had an opportunity to do much teaching, a lot of teaching in the university setting as well as in the professional development programs of several companies. Well, I think I got in this field mainly through the influence of my father. My father was a pilot in the Air Force. Part of that, he was in World War II, was a bombardier, and he always loved flying. He loved aircraft. My mom tells me the story that when I was born at Hamilton Air Force Base, California, that she would hold me in her arms, and that as aircraft flew over, I would just stop whatever I was doing and look at the ceiling and kind of track the sound of that aircraft. And I guess I kind of like to believe that. And I just always had a great love of flight. I had a good example through my father, and I always equate flight with something almost divine, very noble. Really hits something in the human spirit that is hard to quantify, but when you feel it, you know what's being talked about. I equate it with freedom, the defense of freedom. I'm very thankful to be an American and have the blessings that I've been given as an American citizen.